So I have another showing tomorrow. How about a quick lunch and I can pick up something on the way over?
Tomorrow I'm pretty busy.
You don't care. Your mind's always somewhere else.
What about you, Arthur?
My article?
Yeah.
It's a fantastic article. Have you read it, Joan?
No.
She doesn't read my work.
Well, you think it's right that your wife does all the heavy lifting so you can pretend to be an intellectual?
There we are. The lake house.
I love that lake.
Yeah, you did.
It's my paradise.
Now, why can't you just be happy for me?
Because I'm too busy feeling bad for myself.
The MRI detected a small mass.
How risky is the surgery?
It's a highly invasive procedure.
Do you believe in God? I'm a scientist. God is more our creation than we are His.
If God is not waiting for you on the other side, who is?
All the anger and the pretending and the fighting, it all got put on hold.
It is during our darkest times that our loved ones are closest.
I don't want to die, Arthur. In some cold, empty room surrounded by people who are only there because it's their job to be.
Things are not what they seem here.
There's always that moment, you know? Life-changing moment. We can go back there whenever you want to.
Promise me.
I promise. Do you love her? More than anything on earth.